Hello, my friend Kenneth Reed here with One Marketplace. Today, I'll be shooting a video on how to join One Marketplace. Man, this is so exciting. Unreal what's about to transpire, guys. So make sure you plug in, lock in, stay in, and win big. We have a ultimate 3-year retirement game plan. Of course, we don't guarantee any income or anything like that, but when you look at how this is set up, man, it has to happen for a lot of people, man. I'm telling you, when you see this thing, you look at the price point, unbelievable. But what you receive from that and how it's structured, which you'll see in the 7-minute video. If you hadn't seen that video, I'll show you where to go and get that. But this is going to be how to sign up. Now, you got your link from someone, their link from someone, and you're going to go sign up. So it's going to take you to a page like this, and you're going to click on join now. Now on this page, you can see the different ways you can come in. You come in as a shopper. Of course, with that, you don't earn any income, but you get a chance to shop and for some of these awesome different products and services that we have, okay? But what you want to do, you want to go ahead and upgrade to a smart shopper for $14.95. That's right, only $14.95 a month, folks. Here you can read information as we launch. We're in beta launch, so we're launching this in stages. So you'll be updated. As you can see here, all the latest news is put here on the website. But here's some of the products where you can shop as a shopper. No cost to be a shopper. But if you want to earn some income and take care of that cost and start earning smart dollars, which you'll see in the video here in a little bit, that explains all this. This is how you go about it. So you go here to the person's website that you came to. Click on join now. Okay. Here, very important, you're going to see the invite code of the person that you're joining. Now, this is my wife's website here. That's her invite code. And as you can see here, you're going to enter your name, first name, last name, email address, and create your password and check the box that you agree to the terms and agreement here. And you're going to sign up. Now, what this does, this creates a shopper, okay? Then it's going to take you to a site that looks like this. Once you filled in that information, it's going to take you to a site like this, okay? Now, here is where you become a smart shopper for $14.95 a month, okay? Now, you're going to receive an email. Once you enter that information on the earlier screen, it's going to send you an email where you have to actually sign up as a smart shopper, okay? Now, remember that video. If you haven't seen it yet, once you get to this page here, all you have to do is scroll down. You're going to see a little 30-second video on One Marketplace. But these are the things that you get as a smart shopper, which makes total sense. You get the deepest discount on all products, right? You get $30 in hotel credits every month, folks. So think about it. You're paying $14.95, but you're getting $30 in hotel credits. These are dollar for dollar in hotel credits. So you can let these stack up and take your family on a nice vacation. Okay? Pretty cool, right? But then what that does, that gives you the opportunity to tap into the up to $100 loyalty bonus. So you will start receiving income as the company grows. Folks will be put into your pot. You're going to start earning on those folks. Half in cash, half in smart dollars. What do you do with the smart dollars? You shop inside the One Marketplace, right? But with the cash, that offsets your cost that you're paying to be a member. So it's a wash. How much sense does this make, guys? But by becoming a smart shopper, you're able to earn as a smart shopper, okay? But if you scroll on down this page, you'll see that video that explains all of this. So click on that video. It's about 7 minutes long. Click on that video and it breaks it all down for you. But what you want to do is grab the position ASAP, okay? Now, once you go through this step here, you're going to go to your email. And this is where you have to activate. So let's go to your email. And you're going to see here, I got 3 emails. One is activate your One Marketplace account. Okay, you have to do this to become a smart shopper. Okay, but you also receive another email here. Let's click here, welcome to One Marketplace. We click there, it says High Legacy. Thank you for joining One Marketplace as a shopper. Remember, a shopper is free. It doesn't cost anything to be a shopper. You can go inside the One Marketplace and shop and get the great, awesome deals, okay? But you don't earn smart dollars. You don't earn cash. You don't earn any income as a shopper. That's why you want to become a smart shopper for $14.95, okay? Now, One Marketplace is launching in 4 stages during 2025 and early 2026. Okay, the website will improve as we grow, including cool features to the back office. New products will be added at every stage, okay? And ever expanding product global marketplace will be launched by late 2025, early 2026. So by the time you watch this video, you can kind of know where you are in the process, okay? If you ever want to earn commissions, you can upgrade to Smart Shopper by clicking that link. It says log in now to see the action. Okay, so that's that there. And you're going to just go to the next email. Okay. And this is the most important one right here. One Marketplace info, activate your One Marketplace account. So we click this one. As you can see, it says High Legacy. Thank you for registering at One Marketplace. Please click the link below to activate your account. And when you click this link, booyah, okay? Now you have activated your account. Your account has been activated successfully. And then it's going to ask you to continue. So we're going to continue. And here we go. So welcome to One Marketplace, okay? One Marketplace Smart Shopper. Join the global pod as a smart shopper and start earning today. So again, it takes you to this page here. Become a smart shopper. You'll see a little video right there, okay, that you saw earlier. And here you go. You're going to click on Add to Cart. Booyah. Okay, you see Add to Cart right here, $14.95. And you're going to click Checkout. And here you're going to see all the information, to get set up. You put in your first name, last name, all the information there, city, state, validate your address. You're going to see where you can click on that. And then you see your total reoccurring. You're going to pay $14.95. Then $14.95 reoccurring. It's going to show your renewal date here. And you're going to enter your card number right here. And you hit sign up now. And boom. Your One Marketplace is set up and you're ready to go. You're going to get a back office with your link so you can start sharing immediately. To add smart shoppers, these are community pods, right? So you want to add those so you can earn even more income. And you saw that in the video, that little 7-minute video. It goes over that, okay? So once we sign up, we're going to have a dashboard. And hey, you're in. So this is how you sign up for One Marketplace, guys. Pretty exciting stuff. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'll be giving you more informative information all about One Marketplace, my journey in One Marketplace, and all the exciting things going on with One Marketplace. So make sure you subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and you can share it with someone. If you want to show them how to get set up, you can do that as well. But again, my name is Kenneth Reed. If you want to sign up personally direct to me, you want to visit the website that you see on the screen here, shopfinitymarket.com. That's going to take you over to my site. Enter your information. It's going to take you where you can get set up for One Marketplace. Join our team, plug in, and let's win together. So with that, guys, we're going to see you at the top, not from the top, because you, and I do mean you, deserve the best. Take care. God bless.